Ciara Speller. Some might have thought the weather was pretty fitting for Halloween night as strong winds blew through western Massachusetts. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko was working for you with some of the areas that saw the worst damage due to the storm.
Well, some large trees came down here in Longmeadow as well as in some surrounding communities. Winds gusted over 50 miles per hour at times Thursday night, and that brought some trees and power lines down across western Massachusetts. Here in Longmeadow, a large tree came down, destroying this car on South Park Ave.
Just the whirling winds. It was just a great balmy sort of Halloween evening. But yeah, the wind chimes were going crazy. I didn't hear this fall, but I heard lots of branches by my home.
Some roads were closed while tree removal crews worked to clean up the debris and utility companies worked to restore power. But Friday afternoon, there were still some areas without electricity. And some people were forced to use generators to keep the lights on. Many of the trees that came down in this latest storm were rotted. It's important to have the trees in your yard inspected.
Call an arborist and have them inspect your trees. If you have leaning trees, trees that have signs of decay, those are the things that you should be looking for.
David Murphy, the owner of Western Mass Tree Care, said this year has been a busy one. And you're looking at that car that was underneath that tree that fell here on South Park Avenue. You can see the tree has been removed. The car is still here, but you can see the damage. The roof completely crushed in on that car here on South Park Avenue. So again, that storm that we had last night did cause some damage across western Massachusetts. The good news is that the winds continue to diminish. Live in Longmeadow, I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko.